Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Orlando Pirates have officially announced 3 signings. In a statement, it says, Orlando Pirates Football Club is delighted to announce the acquisition of Neo Rapu, Aphiwe Balidi, and Matumi Mmolai ahead of the 2026-27 season. The 3 players join the Buccaneers as the club continues to strengthen their squad and invest in some of the country's promising talent. Neo Rapu joins the club from Siwelele FC. A 20-year-old left-back is a product of the SuperSport United development structures and has represented South Africa at youth international level. A modern left-back who is equally comfortable defending and advancing into attacking areas. Rapu brings energy, technical quality and significant potential. Also making the switch from Siwelele is a 24-year-old defender, Aphiwe Balidi. Primarily a left back, Balidi is capable of operating on either side of defense. His versatility, athleticism, and experience in domestic top flight makes him a valuable addition to the club's defensive ranks. Balidi will, however, return to Siwelele on a season-long loan for the 2026-27 campaign, where he will continue his development and gain further first-team experience. Completing the trio is central midfielder Matumi Mmolai, who joins the Buccaneers from Leicester City. The 23-year-old is an energetic and technically gifted midfielder who is comfortable in possession and capable of contributing in different phases of play. His arrival further strengthens the club's midfield option ahead of the new campaign. That's the statement from Orlando Pirates. And they confirmed the departures. They say, meanwhile, Pirates can confirm that Homolimo Koto and Siyabonga Ndlozi have completed permanent transfers to Sekhukhune United. And right back, Tshepo Mashilwane will also return to Babina Nuku on a season-long loan. That's the statement from Orlando Pirates. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates signing this trio of Matumi Mmolai, Aphiwe Balidi, and Neo Rapu? And Orlando Pirates are also expected to unveil the signing of attacker Siyanda Ndlovu after he successfully completed his medical. Ndlovu, who's 22 years old, has been strongly linked with a move to the Buccaneers for some time after establishing himself as a key member of Golden Arrow's first team with a series of impressive performances. Mamelodi Sundowns were also among that tabled an offer for the highly rated attacker. However, Orlando Pirates are the one who have won the race, beating Mamelodi Sundowns to his signature. He made 31 appearances across all competitions, scoring 4 goals and 8 assists. And he is expected to join his new teammates in pre-season, alongside their rivals that Orlando Pirates have just unveiled. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer and the overall transfer business of Orlando Pirates? Are you impressed with these signings? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.